Cleopatra, I call the junkie. She loves her trees. There she is, my girl. That's my girl. She's a little angry at me. Okay. She wants to spend more time with mom. It's like, I think that's the consensus with everyone in my family. More time with mom. Not enough mom time. Can I vacuum this orange? I want you to see what I'm doing, and he's not moving. Look. I'm trying to vacuum and he won't move. Can I vacuum you? Yeah. I wonder if he will. Look at He's so silly. He's so silly. Why are you orange? You're so silly. You used to be frightened of it. But it's one way to get rid of the cat hair, huh, baby? Okay, I'm not going to bug you. That's hysterical. That is hysterical. Enjoy my lion, my beautiful lion. He is so docile and just friendly. Everybody loves, in the development, they all loved him until there was one woman who hates him. She just hates him. And she hates the dog she has. I just, but, it's just sad. I'll never understand how to hate something. I just don't know. We may be afraid of them or we don't care for them, but they hate. That's a whole different world of bitterness and anger that comes from, to me, it comes from something else. It's not the animal, it's not, it comes from something else. I need to wash this. It's critical. I haven't dusted, I don't know that, but I need to wash it. And I know Cleopatra is very, very fussy. The little girl who lived in the sewer. She was the little girl that lived in the sewer. She's very, very fussy. I have to do the bed sheets. I've got to do everything down here. I'd like to go out as well because I know I've got two young people who they wait for mom to do things, you know. They're not that young, but they love doing things as a family. Cleopatra. Sneaky. What are you doing, Mommy? Leave it alone, Cleopatra. Sneak. What are you doing?
Very long journey back to feeding grounds. For humpback whales, this is a 5,000 plus kilometer return migration to Antarctic waters. These family pods have spent the southern winter in warm climates around the southern hemisphere. But the islands inshore of Australia's Great Barrier Reef, birthing and fattening up newborns on them. The pods leave the tropical islands behind with young calves in tow to spend the next 6 months on the islands of the icy Antarctic. Adults have not fed for the half year they have been away. In summer, as the sea ice around the Antarctic Peninsula islands thaws and melts, and freshwater icebergs are set adrift, it sets in motion an underwater ecosystem ripe for planktonic bloom. And that means an abundance of krill. Krill are shrimp-like crustaceans and feed on plant matter or phytoplankton, which blooms as nutrients are released by the ice. Each tiny animal lives for 5 to 7 years. They school in extremely dense numbers for protection, often under the melting bergs. But the schooling method of protection is no defense against the enormous game of a whale. Like blue whales, humpbacks are baleen feeders. Orca and some whales have teeth, but humpback mammals have a system of thin plates made from keratin, the same material that makes up human fingernails or rhinoceros horn. Up to 35 throat grooves run from the whale's chin to navel. These expand, allowing the mammals to take in huge volumes of water and entire schools of small fish or krill in a single gulp. The plates strain the food and the whale expels the water. These tiny packed plates and inner throats the size of a grapefruit mean baleen feeders can only swallow small prey whole.
She is gorgeous. I want people to see you for all your beauty. The Black Panther. Look at her. Look. Ooh. Look at the Black Panther. She just wants love. Yeah, smell. She wants to smell it. She wants to smell it. She's cute. Oh, then she wants to eat it. Okay, Mommy. Be a good girl. I love you. All right, we're up. Food has been done. Litter box is done. TV on. We're out of here.